Hi everyone, I'm Carolyn from the West Bloomfield Township Public Library. Since we've been temporarily closed, we haven't been able to connect with you all in our computer workshops recently, so I wanted to share some resources that can help you learn and practice your technology skills at home. The first resource I want to talk about is Lynda.com. Lynda offers video tutorials from industry professionals. There are a lot of in-depth courses and a ton of different software and technology subjects. You can learn everything from web design to Microsoft Office to Adobe software. Gil Courses is another great library resource. It's unique because it offers instructor-led classes. If you learn best with someone helping you along the way, try out a course in the software or computer skill you want to learn. You'll get assignments and hands-on help in a number of subjects. If you're new to using some of our digital resources, check out Nisha Academy. Nisha Academy is a video tutorial collection that will walk you through using many of the library's apps, databases, and learning resources. The last resources I want to mention are a few websites that we often suggest to anyone who wants to learn how to do something new online. They're especially helpful for learning how to use social media, email, and phone apps. If there's a website you want to learn more about, check out one of these resources for tutorials. So whether you're learning something new or staying up to date on the technology skill you've already learned, I hope that these resources help you practice some of those skills at home. We hope to see you back at the library soon.